At JAFRA, we believe in your dreams and we are here to support you in setting your goals and achieving them. We are a community that believes in family. Our vision is to see you thrive and enjoy success, and our goal is to be your best partner. We want to help you grow, fill you with passion, and give you the tools you need to succeed in your JAFRA business. We believe in high-quality products that offer you beauty and confidence. We have products for the whole family, and we are renowned for our skincare line, which is powered by Royal Jelly. We're one of the best direct selling and beauty companies in helping more than 500,000 women and men transform their lives every day, and we're proud to be part of Betterware, one of the fastest growing companies in direct sales in the world. Founded in Malibu, California in 1956 by Jana and Frank Day, JAFRA is a company that was built on sharing and caring, and those values continue to be present in everything we do for our consultants today. With JAFRA, you can earn money in two ways: by selling our products and earning up to 50% commission, and by inviting others to join your team where you can earn additional commission on your sales. You can also enjoy exclusive monthly incentives and programs such as Welcome to JAFRA and VIP Club, which reward you for consistently sharing and selling JAFRA products. At the same time, you may enjoy amazing trips and recognition to celebrate every step you take in our program. JAFRA is a great value for your investment, as your membership includes your own free personal website to sell your products, free training with experts, and JAFRABiz.com, which is your online business center where you can access our JAFRA Virtual University, as well as a gallery of images and short videos to use in your social media posts. In addition, you can connect and be part of our exclusive Facebook community with our group, JAFRA Beauty Insiders. During your first 120 days, you'll be receiving text messages or emails that will guide you step by step to a successful start. And you'll also receive sales and leadership tips, and we have access to micro courses to support you in learning what you need at the time you need it. Our customer relations team, our sales team, and the person who invites you are also ready to help you with anything you may need. A bright future is ahead of you. We will be celebrating every achievement in your journey, and remember, with effort, perseverance, and dedication, at JAFRA, you can enjoy the freedom to be you.